kept her late, though. I think that's the... she's happy and safe to do so. Oh, Beiwen in control now. Good save. That might be interesting. A very large arena here. It'd be interesting to see how Steen sees the drift. This is 32-year-old Beiwen Zhang. Jiang Shiying from China's our chair. And from New Zealand, Trish Gubb.
Coin toss, and the way I interpret it, she elected to start on the near side of the court here, and to me that means the far side of the court here. Too slow, then it would be the better side, but a reasonable speed shuttles, that would mean that it's more difficult to play the near side here, and still they're very risky. So we'll see her play only from the from her own front court. When we see her play some clears, it will be passive forehand side down the backhand side of Tunjung, but let's see if she can manage that. This is the way to play by Tunjung, that's obvious, but the interpretation or the judgment.
And for me, she looks bigger and stronger than she ever has done. But those weapons overhead, Steen, I don't know if it's...
And she's got a clear game plan. I don't think technically there's a lot of differences, but she's getting herself into better positions. Boy, that's it.
Seen her do the splits around the court to pick up the shuttle, but her smash speed is...
Also, it's not like it's impossible to put it long. Definitely the better side in women's singles. It could be a little bit different throughout the different disciplines, but in women's singles, the far side of the court is the better today. Middle of 3 courts here. It's gone long as the outer courts, court 2 and 3. There can be sideways drift.
So 11-6.
Yeah, there's a really good chance advantage, and that's where we get a good look at well on the more difficult side here. Back in Indonesia after some years in Malaysia, where there hasn't been a lot here.
That's a good shot.
Invest a whole lot in this first game here because it's simply too difficult.
Oh, there's a good shot. I haven't seen a single player yet.
This time she read it. Tunjung.
Oh,
It's gone wide.
like you said, would encourage a third deciding game, but also their history. The last 3 times they've met. Oh, another one called in. Beiwen Zhang attacking the body.
court again. It's gone wide.
21-11 the score. So the change of ends, game 2, Tunjung on serve after winning the first. And let's see how Tunjung can handle these conditions. Whether Beiwen Zhang can use.
It's a little bit on home soil, so to speak. Zhang Beiwen, Chinese born, but represented Singapore from 2007 to 2013 before she moved to United States. All in Singapore Open, as far as I recall.
This week of anybody overcoming either Yamaguchi or An Se-young, they just seem to be dominating the women's singles game of late.
There's like Tashi Ying, Beiwen Zhang, and the two you mentioned as pre-tournament favorites.
Tunjung.
Her game, she's become a lot stronger, so I think she's got self-confidence and belief, energy consuming. But Zhang Beiwen's got to step up soon, because otherwise she'll basically, Tunjung is more or less playing full court against the front court on the other side, because it's so difficult to play it. Control here by the Indonesian. Those two
taking the shuttle and playing an attacking shot, that's athletic, powerful.
Working together, making it difficult for Zhang Beiwen to anticipate what's coming. I think that shot there that Tunjung played was much better. A little deception and then play the front court, get initiative. You can see she's under pressure. Zhang Beiwen, that's excellent.
Great net shot.
Start attacking, because every time she plays to the back court, then Tunjung is attacking. That's really open. Much better. If she all can win it, Zhang.
Good control on the lift.
Tunjung, the flat backhand. The cross she tried to play is good, but and that's got to do with the grip and the hitting technique in the flat backhand. Good deception again.
Po-hsuan.
So back to the action, 11-10 Tunjung. Much more recent. Beiwen Zhang back in 2018. Picks up the India Open title. Whereas Tunjung...
And I think it's changed a little bit, so that she's able to play more tournaments. I know she's played in the Danish Badminton League. So I think the number of tournaments that she could afford to play have been limited. It's gone long. Oh, that's landed on line.
Perhaps a bit short from Tunjung. That's a better length.
Retrieval game for Beiwen. It's going wide.
Tunjung, however, looks exhausted after every rally, even after point number 1, in my opinion. Just her demeanour, I think.
thing is, when you play the far side of the court, you have to give it a little bit extra. So
the forehand grip to
yeah,
whip the shot.
to play the cross. That's why it's so easy for her to play the cross.
Yeah.
But to really push it in the backhand, you need to change the grip. Now we're seeing a battle here. Should Beiwen
It's a good clear.
succeed in forcing a decider, that's what we're going to see all throughout the third game. It's gone wide. Ooh, she's taken it, Tunjung. What a rally.
Tunjung's late. This is a long.
As long as the shallows stay reasonably quick, then there won't be that many long rallies.
A small cushion. Yes, they must take a lot of learnings. So game points. Beiwen Zhang battling hard. It's gone wide.
That's difficult to say. The first thing is you got to have the lead. A lot more challenge here. We're going to see a battle for the initiative that's going wide. That's it. So I mean, like you say, try to get a good lead, but it's a totally different battle now. It's not like the
It's gone long.
It's way too experienced to that. Yeah, good play. What it looks like when Tunjung is going to play the near side here, because we've seen that much more sort of relevant second. Yeah, you can, but you shouldn't.
No, you still need to win points.
Yeah. It's gone long.
That's wonderful.
Excellent. The match, how good deceptions Tunjung has got from that short backhand corner. Attack. On the other hand, if she attacks out of position and makes mistakes, then that's okay. Excellent.
Whilst there's still a long way to go in this third game, it's damage limitations for Beiwen Zhang here. She needs to keep close to that scoreboard going into that change.
2 points away from a very healthy lead at the mid-game interval. Tunjung, can she do it in 7 or similar?
Yes, forget to work hard.
And she was.
Kept her late though. I think that's the. She's happy and safe to do so. Oh, Beiwen in control now.
The
Good
retrieval.
save. Through. Important point. That's wide.
Switch to backhand serve from Zhang.
And from what was looking good for Tunjung at 9-3, Beiwen Zhang working hard to stay with her. So here we go, 4 points in touching distance.
Beiwen played into the forehand at the net on Tunjung.
As if she felt the points would come easy on that better side.
Oh, the lead with 1 point and getting closer to the goal line. It's going to cost her dearly.
smash.
In the service situation here, Bulls, because you've got to get the initiative.
Now, just sliced under the shuttle.
Shove Beiwen all the way. That's a much better return.
Brilliant from Zhang. Look.
Yeah. Huge difference. Shot. Oi.
Match points.
Oh, what a save!
A great net shot this time. And there it is, in the mid-court, through the body of Beiwen Zhang, and on the fourth time of asking, able to clinch the match into the round of 16 tomorrow.